Lobster rolls with effin' sharp. These may be intimidating for many, but they are absolutely easy to prepare. Using the effin' sharp chef's knife, I'm going to use the tip of the knife towards the back end on that tail, and then just slowly but firmly work that knife right down the middle of the lobster. Squeeze it a little bit in the palm of your hand. You can even push down on the underside of it to break apart the meat a little bit. Go ahead and separate all of the meat from the shell, because in this preparation, we're going to butter poach our lobster tails. Butter poaching might sound fancy, but watch how easy it is. We're gonna take some fresh lemon. We're also gonna have real butter here, because it's going to make a difference. Into a hot pan with that fresh squeezed lemon juice, down with the butter. You want to go a gentle simmer, about 160, 170 degrees. Lay your tails down into that butter and cook for about 7 minutes. Then immediately stop the cooking process in a bowl of ice water. I'm just chopping up some fresh chives here. That's gonna go into our lobster roll mixture. Take those chilled lobster tails, give it a rough chop. It doesn't have to be perfect here, because they're just going down into those buttery toasted rolls. In the bowl with some mayonnaise, some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then those chopped chives. That's gonna hang out for a moment. We'll grab our lobster tail meat, go ahead and give that a nice mix. You only want enough mayo just to coat. You don't want a heavy, thick mixture here. Now we're gonna take some hot dog buns. These are deli fresh bakery buns. The reason why I grabbed those is because they're not cut yet. So what I'm doing is taking the effin' sharp bread knife, and I'm gonna cut down on either side, making a flat surface to toast, and then I'm gonna slice down almost all the way through, right down the middle. And as you can see, this is gonna create a nice pocket for our lobster meat. And we'll take some butter in a pan over about medium to medium high heat. Get each side of those split top buns toasted up nice and golden brown, and we'll set those aside to cool off. Then we'll take our chilled lobster mixture, go down, pack them up nicely, and then add some fresh squeezed lemon juice right across the top. And then you'll take some additional chives and you'll just put that on lastly for some garnish. These are simple and absolutely delightful. Visit effinsharp.com for more.